Fintel SEC Filings short data app pricing explained what you get for your money. Fintel is a financial research tool that focuses on SEC filings, insider trading, and short interest data. Many assume these data-heavy apps are expensive, but Fintel offers tiered pricing for different needs. The basic plan is free, providing access to limited short interest data and SEC filing summaries. The premium plan costs per month and includes real-time updates, comprehensive short-selling analytics, and exportable datasets for deeper research. Enterprise solutions are available for teams requiring advanced reporting and API access. Most people get this wrong by assuming short interest data is only useful for traders. The surprising truth is that investors of all levels can benefit. For example, if a stock shows unusually high short interest, you can use Fintel to gauge market sentiment before making investment decisions. In conclusion, Fintel provides clear, tiered pricing and powerful tools for anyone analyzing SEC filings or short-selling data. Its insights can guide smarter decisions whether you're a retail investor or part of a professional team.